Across vast farmland stretching to the horizon, these mega farms harvest nearly 40,000 tons of mangoes each year, an industrial-scale operation driven by precision, speed, and relentless seasonal demand. Late spring hits the perfect window. Farmers roll in, planting new mango trees across massive orchards at peak seasonal precision. Farmers don't just plant trees, they engineer entire mango orchards. Each tree is precisely spaced, measured down to the foot, maximizing sunlight exposure, airflow, and long-term yield, turning open land into a high-efficiency production system built for scale. Young saplings are set into nutrient-rich soil, backed by precision irrigation, delivering water to every root zone. Every inch matters too close. They compete too far apart. Valuable acreage is lost, cutting into long-term productivity and efficiency. Steel wires and support frames keep each young tree upright, stabilizing it against wind and uneven weight as it grows. But here's the reality: this isn't fast farming. It takes 2 to 3 full years before the first mango harvest even begins. As the trees mature, the real work begins. Branches are pruned with precision, not randomly, but strategically. Farmers shape each canopy like engineers designing a machine. Too many branches, fewer fruits, too few, and total yield drops across the entire orchard. Irrigation is no longer guesswork, it's precision engineering. Farmers deploy underground systems, delivering measured water directly to mango roots, turning every drop into controlled growth and maximum orchard efficiency. Fertilizer is timed and measured down to the ounce, just enough to fuel growth, never wasted. And then, the invisible battle begins. Pests, shifting weather, and unknown threats. Every single day becomes a tight balance between nature's chaos and human control. Farmers deploy high-tech drone fleets, spraying pesticides across mango orchards with pinpoint precision, covering acres in minutes while boosting efficiency and cutting labor costs dramatically. Then everything shifts. Early in the season, thousands of mango trees bloom at once, transforming the entire farm into a massive ocean of flowers stretching across acres. This is the defining moment. But reality hits. Not every bloom becomes fruit. Wind, temperature, and pollination rates dictate the final yield. Farmers monitor every acre closely because this stage alone can make or break an entire growing season. Once fruit sets, the clock starts ticking. It takes roughly 100 to 110 days to transform each blossom into a market-ready mango, racing against time and nature. During this phase, each mango slowly builds sugar, texture, and flavor. Some farms even bag individual fruits to shield them from pests and harsh sun, because this isn't just growing mangoes, it's crafting a near-perfect product for market. And then harvest season hits. Timing is everything. Pick too early, the mango lacks sweetness. Too late, and shelf life drops, cutting into quality and market value across every batch. Field crews move fast across acres, using every method available, hand-picking low trees, pole cutters for taller canopies, and ladders or lifts to navigate dense orchards, keeping the harvest flowing at full speed. Every mango gets handled with care, no shortcuts. One tiny bruise can slash its value. This is the payoff moment, months, even years of work where every move counts and every fruit has to land perfect. Do you want to see how these massive mangoes are actually processed? Please comment number 1. Within just hours, mangoes arrive at the processing plant. From there, everything moves fast washed, sorted by size and quality, and inspected for flaws. Machines and workers operate in perfect sync, turning fresh harvests into market-ready products with speed and precision. Thousands of mangoes race down the line every hour, a non-stop golden flow. The best are picked for fresh markets, while the rest are processed into juices and other high-demand products. Premium mangoes are carefully packed, then their journey begins. They move across cities, ship overseas, and reach markets on multiple continents. From a single seed, each fruit becomes part of a vast global supply chain, traveling thousands of miles to land on shelves worldwide. Inside the mango factory, have you ever tried frozen mango? Here, every fruit is peeled and sliced into perfect bite-sized chunks, processed at scale, and ready to be frozen for year-round enjoyment. Hygiene here is tightly controlled, every step monitored to meet strict standards and keep products safe. So what do you think about this entire mango growing and harvesting process? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Ripe mangoes are carefully hand-selected, peeled, and trimmed before entering the processing line. Inside the plant, they're transformed into rich, flavorful mango juice packed with nutrients and sealed into bottles, ready to travel miles and end up in your hands to enjoy. If this moment makes you want more, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications right now. But sometimes everything goes wrong, and that's when real machine failures take over. The tractor roars, tires spinning, digging deeper into thick mud. Another machine pulls up front, the line stretched tight and vibrating. Every inch, mud flies, engines scream, wheels slip, yet it keeps pushing forward. This isn't farming anymore. It's machine versus ground. The Case Farmer 110A surges forward, dragging a Goebel harrow that tears across acres of open field, ripping, leveling, and reshaping the ground with raw power and relentless momentum. The tractor strains forward, hauling a manure-loaded trailer through deep mud. Tires crawl, spinning and slipping as weight drags it back. Every inch is a grind, no speed, just traction and torque. One mistake and everything sinks. The green tractor rolls slowly, hauling a loaded trailer toward a waterlogged mud pit. Tires slip. The front loader drops for support, saving itself inch by inch. One wrong move, it sinks. This isn't driving, it's calculated survival against the ground.